Are you looking for a solution to play Fortnite game on your unsupported Android device? If the answer is yes, then you're at the right place. I'm going to show you a simple guide to install and play Fortnite Battle Royale on the unsupported Android devices. If you deal with an error like this device not supported, then open your browser. Search for GSM Fortnite Fix. Open the first link. I also will include the link in the description. Download and install Fortnite installer from this website. Once done, install it. Once the game is installed, open it. Tap on Yes, Find My Account. Next, enter your account to sign in. Download additional data. Wait for the process to be completed. After download, click play and enjoy the game.